In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to practice QuickBooks in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or looking to refresh your skills, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it easy and efficient. First things first, open a web browser on your computer and head over to QuickBooks Online. Once the page loads, you'll notice a Sign In button located in the top right corner. Click on that to proceed. When the sign in page comes up, enter your email address and password to access your account. If for any reason you haven't created an account yet, take a moment to do so because you'll need one to proceed with these exercises. After you've filled in your credentials, click on the sign in button. This will take you directly into the QuickBooks Online dashboard, also known as QuickBooks Main Working Hub. From here, your journey into practicing QuickBooks begins. The next thing you want to do is navigate to the settings menu. You'll typically find this by looking for a gear-shaped icon. Once there, click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. One of the options listed will be Switch Company. Click on Switch Company and this will allow you to move between different companies if you're handling multiple accounts. This feature is particularly useful for accountants or individuals managing various businesses, as it simplifies the workflow considerably. Now, if you have accounting access, which you can have only if you've been invited by another user to their business, you'll want to click on your accounting access option. If you don't see this option, it might mean you haven't been granted this access yet, so double check that you've been invited or accepted an invitation if applicable. Next, click again on the settings gear icon. This time you're looking for something called Sample Company. The Sample Company feature is an excellent way to practice because it allows you to experience QuickBooks functionality without affecting your actual business data. After clicking on the Sample Company, you might see a prompt asking if you'd like to continue. Just click continue and voila, you've entered the Sample Company. With the Sample Company open, take these few moments to familiarize yourself with the interface. Explore the various features, see how transactions are logged, and maybe even try your hand at creating a mock invoice or expense. These practical exercises are a great way to become comfortable with the QuickBooks environment without feeling any pressure. And there you have it, a straightforward and concise method to practice QuickBooks. Remember, practicing regularly will further your understanding and proficiency with this powerful accounting tool. Thanks for watching and happy bookkeeping.